There's been a lot of publicity and social media surrounding an incident that took place on April 6th. Some facts in there, and I know there's been a lot of misinformation out on the internet.
He's talking about the incident that FWC killed the snakes, and he's saying there's a lot of misinformation on the internet.
A reticulated python that was loose from a member of the public. Python did not have a pit tag, so it was not identifiable. The coffee's facility was checked to determine if all snakes being held under constructive seizure at his location were accounted for. We did not determine that snake came from his facility, so it was undeterminable. Coffee did request that FWC investigators euthanize these snakes rather than attempt to rehome the 32 prohibited snakes. That was upon his request, and that is a fact.
You know what else is a fact that he kind of just forgot to mention? Chris Coffey said that 14 months in advance of this situation, because he said, please take these animals. I'm not a criminal. I don't want to go to jail. And then he was indicted and told to keep the snakes on his property. He didn't just voluntarily give them up because he didn't want them. He didn't want to go to jail, and that's understandable.
That we will not be euthanizing any animals at this point unless it's in exigent circumstances in the field regarding something else.
Just remember that part, because they said that before. Actually, the chairman said that before. I'm going to release a more in-depth video about this on YouTube over the next few days, but for those of you who know what happened, you know that this dude just straight up lied about what actually happened.